In this video, you're going to learn how to geotag your images for free, which is a competitive advantage for your Google business profile and your local search. Geotagging is a strategy utilizing for you to give Google the authority to show images to the people who are looking for the specific service that you provide around a specific area. What we do here is we're going to add a meta description with latitude and altitude of your specific location and add that information inside of your code of the images. It's not super complicated. It's actually really fast. I'm going to show you right now how you can do that for free without paying for experts or paying anyone else who is trying to steal your money. Okay, let me show you how you can do that. What you need to do first before we do anything else is to go to your Google Maps, regular Google Maps. Go to Google, find your business inside of the map of Google, and I have it right here with me. And then this is one of my client's business. He just started this business recently, and so now here's the map. Here's where the business is located, and then I'm gonna go to the little red pen that you see. Let me just put it bigger. Okay, and then you're gonna click right, and you're gonna see all these different options that you can do, right? And the numbers are the latitude and altitude of the specific area of that business. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna grab it and then we're gonna copy, and then you're gonna save it on your notes or anything so we can tag the photos and geotag the photos correctly. And boom, we have that specific location, right? And then I'm gonna show you another example about how you can geotag the images in adding the specific altitude and latitude of that specific location, and then you grab those numbers and then you put it on the latitude and the longitude of the specific thing depending on what the code is. Or let me show you another different example. Let me show you what the difference is between a geotagged image and a regular image. So first, you're gonna see that we have the exact same picture, exact same dimensions, but you wanna go and see the picture that you already have that is not geotagged. Look at the difference. If you have a Mac computer, you can just go directly to the part that says information and then show inspector or show general information. If you have an older computer, you can just click to your right, and then you will be able to see all the information about that photo. On here, you can see that the file name, you have the document type, file size, all that good stuff, right? And then you keep going, and then it takes you to the more info. And then here you have 4 different tabs, which are codes of that specific image. But you don't see any type of like latitude or like GPS or anything like that that tells where this picture was taken. Whereas in the case of, if you think about it, on Google, we have no information whatsoever about this picture related to your business or to her specific business. So what I do here is that this is the one that is not geotagged. Now we're gonna see this one as the geotagged image. And I'm gonna do the same exercise. I'm gonna go to this little thing, and then you'll see on the section that says more info, on this second tab, you're gonna see that we have general, exit, GPS. Now this image is geotagged, and it's exactly where the business is located. She is a real estate agent in this case, so she doesn't have a specific location, a specific store or a specific office. So we are targeting a specific city, which is in this case New Orleans, and then we go to the main downtown area where the majority of the business happened, and then you'll be able to see her picture around specific areas of New Orleans or Louisiana. So here is the altitude and longitude we took, which tells us that this image or this person is serving those areas. So that picture is gonna show up for whoever is looking for her or specific business like her And then whenever they see that picture, they're gonna click and it's gonna take them to the Google Business Profile. So you will be able to see how to show in maps, and then you click on show maps, and then it will give you directly where it is and where this, like, her business actually is. So there we go. And then it takes us where specific the location of the area that she serves. Isn't it great? So this is an amazing opportunity for you to get those pictures geotagged. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in the fastest way possible. I'm going to add the link of this application. This application is completely free, and there are other functionalities that you can use inside of this application that you'll have to pay like a membership or something. But this app, we use it a lot. In the local search and SEO environment, we use this application a lot, and we don't specifically have to pay. Like, we have the paid option, but I'm gonna show you how the free version looks like. You don't have to do anything crazy. The only difference about this having a paid and the not paid is that if you pay for that, you will be able to search your specific Google Business Profile on here, and it takes them directly to the pin that you have in your Google Maps. But if you don't have that, you literally just kind of like go and search manually where your business is located, and then you put the little pin on there, and then you'll be able to just add it whatever it is. See, like every time you change the pin, it changes down below when it says existing geotags and new geotags. So let me show you an example about how you can do this from scratch. I'm going to clear. This is how the website looks like. And it's tool@geoimgr.com. And then on here, you'll be able to pick a photo from your computer, pick the specific photo that you want, or something you want to post on the Google Business Profile. It could be a photo of you or a photo or your business. So let's say this one. So this is what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it here. And now I have to look on here. Yeah, if I can either just look for Martha Leon Realtor, and then I click here because it's already taking me to Google Map, and you can pay, or you don't have to pay, but you can just go manually and look for the geotag option, and then we'll find where the office or where the service is actually located, or what areas you serve. So the more pictures you do this with, you can target different areas and different cities with different images. This is a great thing to do. So on here, you will be able to see that the geotag, this is the geotag image. And then there is, let's see. As you can see, we don't have any geotag images existing for this image because it was like placed, cropped from the internet. But now we have a new geotag image here, right? Now we have a new code for this image, which tells Google that every time someone is looking for this picture and they like the house, for instance, and they click, it's going to take them to the Google Maps area and see where they are located. So on here, you're going to write the exit tags. And then now we have both altitude and latitude of that specific location. So which means that that image is now inside of Google Maps. Now Google recognized that code and placed them inside of the Google Maps. So now we can just download the image. And now we're gonna see if it worked. So let's go to more info. And then we're gonna see the part that says GPS, and now we have specific GPS photo. We have the photo, we know where the picture was taken. This works a lot for real estate agents. It works a lot for physical stores. If you have a physical store, this is perfect location. If you have a restaurant, this is perfect because you can take pictures of your food and all that, and majority of people love food pictures, and then they just see the picture and be like, oh, where is this? And then they click on it and boom, it takes them to the Google Maps. Isn't it great? So that is how it works. Now we are gonna upload that picture. So I'm gonna show you how your Google Business Profile will look like. What I'm gonna do with that image is I already have my Google Business Profile here, and I'm gonna upload the photo like we always do. So you're gonna grab that new photo, and then we're just gonna upload it. And boom, you have your photo in there. So what happens, let me just delete it because this is not part of it. So now what happens is, let me delete this. So what happens is that if you already have images inside of your Google Business Profile, I highly recommend you to go back to those images that you took, the ones that are uploaded, and grab those images and do that geotagging process. Delete those images that you already have in there and post them again. Post the geotagged images again. Just because if you don't have that geotagging experience inside of your Google, inside of your images, they're pretty much not doing anything, and you don't have, like, you won't be able to show people the full potential of your images, right? So this is a really great boost that you can do on your own. And now let me show you how you can actually grab those images in case that you don't have those pictures anymore, and it's been probably a long time if you have no idea where the pictures that you have on your Google Business Profile went. So I'm going to show you how you can, because it's kind of complicated for you to download those photos, and you can either take a screenshot and then save it with your name and then do the geotagging process, or let me show you a little more technical type of thing that you can do to grab those images on the back end with the code. But whatever works for you, if you feel more comfortable just screenshotting and then deleting that image and geotagging it and posting it again, that's good with me. Or you can even hire people to do all of that for you. And then they don't charge a lot of money either. But if you have questions about that geotagging experience, just go to our, send us an email and we'll be able to reply. We'll give you the information about who you can hire if you want to hire someone to do that. And then they don't charge you a lot of money. It's like really cheap. Because honestly, those pictures you have there are not doing anything for you. One thing I want to say about this, if you take a picture with your phone in the specific location or specific area where your business serves, your iPhone or your Android already takes that location, so you don't need to geotag those images. Very first thing we need to do to download a Google Business Profile images is go to Google and search for your business on the Google search. Click on your images for the listing that you already have. And then you're gonna see all the pictures that you already uploaded. What we're gonna do is that first, you're gonna make sure that you go to Chrome search browser. Don't go to Safari or any other because we wouldn't work. But go to Chrome, and once you have a Chrome and do this process on Chrome will be much better. You click right, and then you're gonna see the option that says inspect. You're gonna click on inspect. We're gonna go a little behind the code. Don't worry, it's not crazy. We're just gonna find the sources. So go to the tab at the top right where I'm putting the little cursor here, and then click on sources. And the part that says sources, you will be able to find the images that are already uploaded. So what I always do is find the images and go to Google User Content, and the option that tells you Google User Content. That means that everything that you uploaded, it's gonna be there. So drop down and go to the P folder, and you will be able to see all the images. First, these images have no they're not named, they don't have names, they only have codes, which is crazy. We need to change that, but now that we're changing all the images So we're just gonna grab them. So what you do is that you're gonna click again, or we're gonna go to the images, tap the image that you want, and then save it as, and then we'll save automatically to your computer. And more here, you're gonna grab those pictures and you're gonna upload the geotagging code and upload it back again to your listing. You're gonna delete these images and you're just gonna upload them again. So that way you have a completely geotagged images listing where more people can find you, more people can find your listing, more people can find your business, and Google will upgrade you and reward you big time for those codes that you're giving them to Google. Right? If you like this video and you would love to learn more about local search and how you can rank at the top of Google Maps, I've made completely videos and a specific program for you. It's called Google Maps SEO Supercharged. So don't forget to subscribe. Watch this video I have right here for you if you want to learn more about Google Maps and how you can rank at the top of Google. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps me a lot to make videos like this and to keep improving. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.